Hi there, today we are making an almond coffee dacquoise, and besides the butter, sugar, flour, we will need some bird's custard powder, some instant coffee, lots of almond and lots of egg white, and some sliced almond to decorate it. We start by roasting 3.5 cups of almonds at 325 for 10 to 15 minutes. To know if your almonds are well roasted, you can slice one to see if it has a light brown color inside, as shown here on the left. Then you need to grind them to a fine powder. To make the cake layers, you will need 7 egg whites, preferably at room temperature. Now mix your almond powder with 7 tablespoons of flour. We are now going to beat our egg whites to make our cake layers. First, we're going to beat them to soft peak, then we can start adding the sugar slowly, a little bit at the time. We need 1 3/4 cup of it. Beat until consistency of soft peak. Now gently fold the almond mixture into your egg whites. We need to divide our batter in between 6 cake pans, lined with parchment paper. Now in my case I had 4 cake pans of 8.5 inches, and I piped 2 layers on a cookie sheet, also lined with parchment paper. We are going to bake this at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now you also need to roast your sliced almonds at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 minutes. Watch very closely as they will burn very easily. To make the buttercream, combine 3/4 cup of bird's custard powder with 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Add 3.5 cup of milk and stir over medium heat until it thickens and starts boiling. Cover the custard with a plastic film to prevent from forming a skin and cool at room temperature. When the custard is cold, beat until smooth. In another bowl, beat 3.5 cup of butter. Now add the custard to the butter and beat well. Now at this point, if your buttercream has lumps in it, you can make it smooth by putting it in a food processor. Now dilute 3 tablespoons of instant coffee in 1/3 cup of hot water and add it to the buttercream. Put a thick layer of buttercream on each of the 6 cakes.